How to log in into Fiverr account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Fiverr account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. On your device, open up your preferred browser and head towards the search bar where you have to type in fiverr.com. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you to the official website of Fiverr. Now, if you already have an account and if you want to log in, head towards the top right corner. There you have an option or button as sign in. Click on it. Now you'll have this sign in prompt in your interface. If you have created your account using your Google, you can continue with Google. If not, you can continue with email or username. Or in case if you have created your account using Apple account or your Facebook account, you can do that as well. So according to your account type or according to the way you have created your account, you can choose one from here. For now, we will select continue with email or username. So here type in your email or username associated with your account, and under that type in your correct password associated with your account. In case if you forgot your password, there is a link provided right here that says forget password. Click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. And once you are done entering a login credential, click on continue button, and with that you'll be logged into your Fiverr account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.